Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because those of you that have been following me for a while know that I don't really like to wear fake lashes. I don't really love the look on myself. I think that in a picture they look awesome, but just like, I don't know, I just don't like the look. And if you love them and you love the look, right on. I'm sure there's something that I love that other people don't love. It's okay, we're gonna be fine. But I have been loving the magnetic lashes for when I film. Sometimes I'm filming multiple videos in one day, or sometimes I'm doing a quick video or whatever it might be, and it's just easier to remove a little bit of eyeliner than to remove like a bunch of mascara. So it's just easier for me, and I honestly really love them for my videos. And so I was just wanting to like venture out and find different kind of looks for the lashes. Like, if I'm gonna do it, let me have options. And so that's exactly what I did. But I quickly wanted to say that I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go quickly, fast forward, do like a little montage of the makeup, and then the main video is going to be focused on just the lashes. So if you're interested in just the lashes, I'll put a timestamp somewhere on the screen right now, and then you can go ahead and skip to that part. But if you're interested in the makeup and you want to see a little bit of what I'm using, go ahead and keep on watching all the way through. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you'd like to be reminded about my videos. I say that because once you click the little bell, I believe it still gives you the option to choose how often you want to, get a notification about my videos. So if you don't want to miss a video, you clearly want to make sure that you click on all, and it'll notify you when I upload every single video. And yeah guys, so let's get into it. Okay, so before we go into montage mode, I am going to be using the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1, and this one looks like this. I have used this before here on my channel, but you guys, I absolutely love this palette. I've taken a break because I used it a few times here, but it's back. Like, I love it. It's so good. So I'm going to go ahead and give you like a little montage. I'll zoom you in, that way you could see what I'm doing, but all the shadows will be from this palette. If I use anything else, you guys know that I like to let you know on the screen, but I'll put the name of the shadows on the screen for you guys to make it easier if you want to recreate anything or you're just interested in a shade. Okay, let's get into the montage. Okay guys, so I did my makeup and now we're back and ready to get into the magnetic lashes. So you guys know that in that other video, I'll link it down below, I did try 2 different brands. I would say check that out, and then also you'll see the little goodies that I have here, and hopefully you'll find something that's in your budget but also that you like. So the other ones that I tried was like a gel liner, and you were supposed to apply it, let it dry for just like a few seconds, and then apply the lashes and then let it dry completely. But then I also tried this brand, which has the liquid eyeliner, and then you put it on. I believe you have to put like 2 or 3 coats on, and then you let it dry completely, and then you can put your lashes on, remove them, fix them however you need. With that other brand, you couldn't do that because it's kind of like the magnet dried up with the eyeliner together. So then I was kind of like, okay, these are awesome, but they're $16.99 a pair, and you could just get 1 pair, and you do get the eyeliner with every pair. Now obviously you can use the liners however, so ultimately you're buying eyeliner every time you're getting a pair of lashes. I haven't been able to find the lashes sold alone, so if anybody knows if they are sold alone, let us know down below. But I had done a quick Google search when I was looking for more magnetic lashes, different styles, because I did notice that a lot of stores only carry like a handful of styles. Like my Ulta that I went to, where I got the first ones, they only had 2 styles in the Eylur ones, and then in the other one I think it was just like 1 style or something like that. So it's very limited styles depending, I guess, where you live and the stores you go to. But even my Target, I went in and I want to say they had a few more options at the Target that I went to that day, but I only picked up 2 because again they are $16.99 a pair. And then I was like, okay, I have to do like an even more extensive Google search. Like I have to find more options for you guys. So I had checked Amazon, but I did it very quickly, and I don't know, I felt like it's really hard to just trust Amazon sometimes because of where the stuff is coming from and whatnot. So I decided to bite the bullet and order these ones. These ones are the Muse Lash 5-pair magnetic lash set. So basically, you're just going to apply your makeup like you normally would, shake the eyeliner as much as possible, and then apply the eyeliner. Of course, you're going to get a better stick to it if the eyeliner is thicker, but in all reality, layers is really what I see matters. But again, never tried this brand here. And then you just put on the lashes and adjust to what you need. So this one did come with 5 different pairs, the eyeliner and an applicator, which this applicator will stick to the magnet, so I think it's kind of silly that they put this specific one in there. But if you need help, it'll help you. Let me go ahead and zoom it in so you can see the different styles. I'm probably going to take this out, that way it doesn't fall, but that way you can see the different styles because they look pretty cute. Like, I can't lie. So let me get this focused up for you guys. So you can see here they give you quite a bit of variety. So you have a little bit of the thicker ones, you have a little bit more of the wispy ones, which these personally are my favorite because I like more of a wispy, kind of like, you know, natural look. So what's even better than getting 5 lashes in one is that these 5 lashes with the little applicator and the eyeliner is $16.99. So for the price of just the one, you get 5 pairs, eyeliner, and an applicator, which I think is super amazing. So I also do want to let you know that you can trim these to fit to your size of eye. Personally, I've never trimmed them. I have big old eyes, so honestly, I think one of the pairs that I had tried in my last video was a little small. So yeah, guys, so I'm just going to keep shaking this up a little bit more, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply like I normally would, and then we will get into it. Okay, something that I do want to let you guys know is that I feel like I have a lot of trouble getting my magnetic lashes on when I put like mascara on because my lashes are so long. Well, at least I think that's why. So I try not to put mascara on when I'm going to wear the magnetic lashes, but right now I have a lot of eyeshadow on my lashes. So I'm going to go in just where I need it and kind of like carefully. I'm not trying to like put a bunch of volume or anything in them, and just to kind of like darken up my lashes, that way when the magnetic lashes are on, it's not, you know, totally visible that my lashes are dirty. So okay, you guys, sorry, I had to wait for my eyeliner to dry. So I already know that this little applicator is going to make the lashes stick. Like, I don't know if you could see that. So I'm not going to use it, but if you need to, go ahead and use it. I'm just going to go ahead, bend these up a little bit, get it kind of a little bit more flexible, which they pretty much are. And then I'm going to try to do this where you can see. Okay, you guys, so these are the first ones. These are a no from me. They feel really awkward, and I don't know if it's just me. Hopefully I can stop blinking for a second, and you can see that they're almost like two different lashes. Like, am I crazy? This one's like, yeah, it's like out there, but it's still like almost wispy and separated, and this one's like, I don't know, it has like a big chunk of hair right here. Am I crazy? No? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about these. Like, this side is almost like, maybe, but this one, I don't really like it. Okay, I will say that this is on here very well. Like, I don't know if you can see this, it's pulling on. They're on there like really well, and my eyeliner was completely dry. So I'm gonna see if I can remove these without hurting myself, hopefully. But I mean, they're on there, and if this is your vibe, yes. Okay, see what I mean? Sometimes the magnet takes a little bit of the eyeliner, so you would just fill that back in, but it's just so much easier to do with liquid eyeliner. And then you always want to make sure that you clean your magnets, that way it's going to stick the next time that you need them to. So it comes off really easy. It's not hurting or anything like that. If it looks like it hurts, it doesn't hurt. But yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and just show you the other styles. That way it doesn't take up too much time. But that was the bottom style. So I'm just going to go from here up. And then I'll let you know my final thoughts at the end. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I applied the little wispy flirty ones because those ones were my favorite because this is more of my vibe. But I feel like now you can tell that they're actually two different lashes. They're a little bit crooked on here, but you can tell that they're like slightly different. I just feel like they're supposed to be like a little bit wild. I think that was like the point of them. So they're not like exactly the same all the way through like the rest of them are, but the rest of them looked pretty good. I'm sorry that my lashes looked a little wonky because my actual lashes are a little, I don't know, crusty and gunky because of the eyeliner having to reapply and reapply. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if you guys are over the magnetic lashes. I just feel like they're pretty amazing, at least in my opinion, because you can just reuse them and reuse them. And then, like I said, I believe they sell the eyeliner separate. I will say this about the eyeliner that comes with this 5-pack of lashes, it does leave like a little sticky layer. So that's also why my real lashes were kind of sticking together. So I just want you to keep that in mind. But other than that, I really liked these ones as well, just as much as these ones right here. Well, this brand. I'm going to go ahead and link the Amazon link for the 5-pack, and then I will also link whatever I find online with these ones. And yeah, always check my descriptions down below. I usually, anything that I don't mention or that I don't show, it's usually listed down there. And yeah guys, I hope that you stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!